Hi, Green Spellers. This week we are talking about homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and they have different spellings. Sometimes homophones could be two words that are homophones, but sometimes homophones can have more than two words that sound the same but have different meanings and different spellings. Okay, so your headers are both the same this week, except the only thing that you're doing is making sure that your two words are lined up with each other. Okay, so that you know that these two words are is a homophone pair. Okay, so it doesn't matter what side you put it on, but just make sure they're lined up with each other so that you know that they're homophone pairs. So let's start with meet. Okay, notice it's a long E vowel sound, two vowels next to each other. First vowel does the talking, next vowel does the walking. Okay, I will meet a new group of students next year. Meet. Okay, now let's find a word that sounds the same, but it's spelled differently and it has a different meaning. Which word do you see? Meet. What is this kind of meat with this spelling pattern? And it's a different meaning. It's meat that you eat. So a hamburger, a brat, it's meat that you eat. Okay, notice the spelling pattern of this meat. It's a homophone, they sound the same. It has EA, it's still a long E vowel sound, but the vowel pairs are EA. First vowel does the talking, next vowel does the walking. Okay, let's find another homophone pair. Week. Same long E vowel sound. Two E's next to each other. First vowel does the talking, next vowel does the walking. Okay, this week we started our plant unit. Okay, that's that kind of week. The other week is spelled like this. Does anyone know what the meaning of that week is? Weak. If you don't use your muscles might get weak. Okay, so that's how you spell that kind of week with EA spelling pattern. Okay, let's find another homophone pair. Bee. What is this kind of bee? It's a bug, right? Zzz, it buzzes in your ear. You don't want to get stung by a bee. This kind of bee. How would you use that bee in a sentence? I will be a teacher one day, or I will be a doctor one day. Tail. These have the long A vowel sound. Tail. Okay, and what is this kind of tail? Spelling pattern AI. That kind of tail is, oh, my dog has a tail that's wagging. Okay, first vowel does the talking, next vowel does the walking. This kind of tail, what is the meaning of this tail? Like a fairy tale, a tall tale. Mane. What is that kind of mane? Not the main idea, that is this kind of mane. The main idea of the story is, on Main Street, there's an ice cream shop. That's that kind of mane. This kind of mane is like a horse's mane. Okay, the hair on the horse's mane. Sound the same, different meaning and different spelling. Let's look at to. When would you use this type of to? I'm going to the store too. Or you're going to the movies? Me too. That's when you would use that type of to. When you're like agreeing with something. This type of to is like the number 2. Can you think of another to word? T-O. You use this to a lot in your sentences. Okay, the spelling of the word that's spelled T-O, that is used in a sentence like, I will go to the movies to see the new movie. Or I will go to my cabin to go fishing. Okay, when you use this type of to, it's you're going fishing, me too. All right, these are your words for the week. Make sure you're practicing them before your spelling check-in on Thursday. Have a great weekend.